Hi there, it's just Ben at Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. Thought we'd just do a quick walk round, show some features of the latest car that's just coming into stock. So it's a 520D M Sport, 2020 registration. So vehicle's finished in carbon black. So we've got 19-inch multi-spoke M Sport wheels. The car has got the carbon effect sills on there, and the lower lip on the front spoiler splitter. So the M Sport badging. The car is looking absolutely stunning. So wheel condition again very nice. So around the back, obviously we've got rear parking sensors as well as front. The car has got carbon effect boot lip spoiler and the lower splitter. So we're looking very tasteful. The car is fitted with the rear privacy glass. We've got the gloss black surround to the windows, which is a nice feature. Take a look inside. So we've got the black Dakota leather with blue contract stitching, which really is a nice feature. Back of the seats, lovely condition. It barely looks like it's been sat in. Also, we've got the mats set of 4. Also, we've got the sill protectors, all embossed with the M Sport. The door cards, it really has been well cared for. So the car is main dealer BMW service history. So we've got the electric driver and passenger front seats, sill protectors again. I say general condition is really nice. The car's also been spec'd with the Harman Kardon speaker upgrade, which is lovely. And again, like I say, it's got the front and rear dash cam as well, which is really nice. So jumping into the driver's side, door cards in lovely condition. So we've got electric windows all round, mirror adjustment, and to open the boot as well. Driver's seat adjustment. The condition of the leather, absolutely stunning, really is. It's been very well cared for. So jump in. So within the standard features, we've got auto lights. It has got the digital dash. Exact miles is 37,220. So we've got our climate control, heated front seats, electric handbrake. It's auto hold feature, which is really good. Obviously into the centre armrest there. All books present in the glove box. And again, say xDrive system, really nice and easy to use. Also, we've got the nav, auto box, steering wheel, absolutely lovely condition. Certainly is a really well cared for car. Well worth coming to see in the flesh. Come back and book a test drive. Come down and see it. I say my name is Ben. Telephone numbers 01423 3311 33. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.